LG TV HDMI port not working or showing no signal can prevent your TV from detecting any connected device. This usually happens due to a software glitch or an HDMI handshake issue. In this video, I will show you quick and simple fixes you can try at home to get your HDMI working again. First, let's start with a power cycle reset, because this is the most important step and it fixes most HDMI problems on LG TVs. Unplug your TV completely from the wall socket and leave it unplugged for at least 60 seconds. While the TV is unplugged, find the physical power button on the TV, usually on the back or underneath, and press and hold it for 30 seconds to remove any leftover power. At the same time, unplug all HDMI devices like your gaming console, cable box, or streaming device from their power source. After that, plug the TV back into the wall first and turn it on. Then connect each HDMI device back one by one. Now let's move on to checking the HDMI cable and the physical connection. Unplug the HDMI cable from both the TV and the connected device, then plug it back in firmly on both ends. Make sure the cable fits snugly, as some LG HDMI ports need a bit of extra pressure. If the HDMI port feels loose, gently press on the port while the cable is connected. Next, try switching the HDMI cable to a different HDMI port on the TV, like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or HDMI 3. If the problem is still there, replace the HDMI cable with another high-speed HDMI cable, since cables can stop working over time. After that, make sure the TV is set to the correct HDMI input source. Check the back of the TV to see which HDMI port your device is plugged into. Then take your remote control, press the input or source button, and manually select the HDMI number that matches the port your device is connected to. If the wrong input is selected, the TV will not detect the signal. If you are using a 4K device, the next thing to check is the HDMI settings on your LG TV. Open Settings, go to All Settings, then select General and go to Devices. From there, open HDMI Settings and enable HDMI Ultra HD Deep Color for the HDMI port where your device is connected. This helps the TV properly recognize 4K devices. Next, it's important to check for a software update on your LG TV. Open Settings, go to Support, and select Software Update. Check if there is an update available and install it if there is one. Once the update is complete, restart the TV, as updated software can fix HDMI-related issues. Finally, if none of the previous steps worked, the last software option is a factory reset. Keep in mind that this will erase all installed apps, Wi-Fi settings, and personal preferences. To do this, open Settings, go to General, and select Reset to Initial Settings. If the TV asks for a password, try common default passwords like 4 zeros, 1234, or 12345. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset. That's it for this video on fixing HDMI port and no signal issues on LG TVs. I hope these step-by-step troubleshooting methods helped you get your HDMI working again. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and useful tech fixes. If one of these steps worked for you, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.